Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to everyone happy and beautiful days. Turkish spicy crushed appetizer recipe. How to make the original spicy paste without using the machine with the traditional preparation method in this video. Required materials for 10 people. 5 to 6 onions. 6 pieces of green pepper. 4 garlic, 6 tomatoes, 3 cucumber. Half bunch of parsley. 4-5 branch fresh mint. Olive oil. Pomegranate. Spicy sauce. Red pepper. 1 lemon, salt and sugar. 2 to 3 spoon tomatoes, 1 to 2 tablespoons pepper paste. A normal knife to be used during the preparation phase and also a large Turkish knife. Deep mixing vessel. Fine filter. Peel and prepare the bulbs first. Cut the stem of the peppers. Chop the bulbs very thin with normal knife. Chop the onion with the knife in the thinnest way with a large knife. Bulbs are prepared finely this way several times without using any machine. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make more people see you by appreciating. Thanks to everyone for support. Add the onions into the strainer and wash them several times with cold water. Prepare other materials. Finely chop the peppers. Chop the cucumbers thinly. Divide a branch with a branch of fresh mint ornament. Chop fresh mint and parsley. Chop tomatoes thinly. Add the tomatoes into the strainer and drain excess water. Thin materials using a large Turkish knife. Wash the onions to purify the bitter taste and drain the water. Add onions and continue chopping to the thinnest area. Add 4 garlic cloves and knife to crush. Add all materials into the strainer and wait for excess water to flow. Tighten and add 1 lemon water. Add salt and sugar. Add olive oil. Add pomegranate sour. Add hot red pepper flake. Add tomato paste and chili pepper. Add bitter sauce. This mixture must be bitter and tender, and if it is not painful enough, add some bitter ingredients. Add it in dead after completely mixing it. In this way you can keep it in the refrigerator for 5 to 6 days. we came to the end of a detailed video recipe for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. Goodbye, to see you in another recipe.